Hello and welcome to 27 Fox Place. Today is the third day in my weekly cleaning schedule and it's the day I dedicate to mopping floors. I've been using this Hoover hard surface cleaner on my tile floors for a few years now. I love the squeaky feel of a clean floor under my feet almost as much as I love clean sheets on the bed, but I'm not a fan of sweeping and mopping. This floor cleaner is easy to use as a vacuum, and because it suctions up the dirty water, I feel like it does a better job of cleaning. And the process is so much easier because I don't have to vacuum before I mop. Before I start, I'll pick up everything off the floor to make the job a little easier. I'll leave the rugs outside for now, so before I put them back on the floor, I can give them a good shake. I could add the floor cleaner into the water tank, but I prefer to spray the cleaning solution directly onto the floor and then rinse it with the floor cleaner. Because I have travertine floor tiles, I need to use a cleaner that's safe for natural stone. I like to use Method granite cleaner, but I'm trying to use a cleaner that I won't be buying anymore, and once that's gone, I'll start using the Method again. As you can see here, the cleaner does a pretty good job of getting up the dirt. And before I put the cleaner away, I'll just quickly rinse off all the parts and leave them to dry. I'll also wash out the dog bowls before I put them back down. I do this every day, and then once a week I like to throw them in the dishwasher for a little extra sterilization. That's all for now, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked today's video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I would like to invite you to become a member of our community by subscribing. It's free and it helps to support my channel. All you have to do is click on the red subscribe button below, and if you click the bell icon, you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video.